Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving throttling exists. Run independent speed tests and log download, upload, and latency across times of day. Once done, compare results to your ISP plan so you know expected versus actual rates. Next, access your router and modem admin pages and make sure you have the model numbers and firmware status. These details let you isolate firmware or hardware causes. Finally, plug a device directly via Ethernet to remove Wi-Fi variables before proceeding with active fixes. You now isolate the problem. If wired speeds match plan but Wi-Fi is slow, optimize the local network. Update firmware, switch to 5 GHz, adjust channel width, and enable Co-S to prioritize interactive traffic. If wired and wireless are both slow, check for ISP traffic shaping by running tests with and without a reputable VPN. A consistent speed increase under VPN suggests ISP throttling. Make configuration changes one at a time so you can see their individual impact and revert if needed. You conclude by validating and escalating. Collect your before and after speed logs, times, and test conditions, then contact the ISP with clear evidence and request they explain or lift any traffic shaping. If they deny responsibility, escalate to support tiers or consider switching providers. Swapping the modem or router can also prove hardware faults. Finally, verify resolution by repeating independent speed tests over several days. If speeds remain inconsistent, use your log as the basis for a formal complaint or plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.